Right you be, it's Boots Own here. This is a Proaction washing machine. It's got a model number on the back. It's an A105QW, and there's the rest of the stats on there. It's a basic model. I don't know where these were sold. I think they're typically sold as like the entry-level model in large electronics stores. It's a UK model. No instruction manual, but I think it's probably quite simple to operate. Pretty clean. There's the hose for it in there, the fill hose. Let's have a little look around and I'll tell you a bit about it. So I got it on the internet through an auction website. Got it for £5.50p. It's got a lot of spiders in it. There's one guy moving in there. It's yeah, here he goes. It's quite a neat machine. The finish quality is pretty good. That's a little bit sharp there, but most of it's pretty smooth. The enameling is pretty smooth. You've got your pressure sensor, PCB, control module under there, a ring weight, concrete ring weight around the door, a tub that you can split if you want to do the bearings on it. You've got the other weight held down the top with M13's single cold fill. Pretty clean in the drawer there. Interference suppressor there coming in, or the filter coming in there for the electricity. Drain out hose on the back there. Just the water in. So let's flip it up. Let's flip it up onto its side. Have a look in underneath. Like I said, loads of spiders, loads of cobwebs. There's your pump. See who that's made by. Hanyu pump, or Hanyu pump motor anyway. It looks really clean. It really is quite a clean machine. You know, there's a little bit of dust there, but compared to some machines, it's really clean. Bit of carbon there, not carbon actually. It's probably belt rubber coming off the belt there. It's a Welling motor. It's a universal motor. 30 watt on the low RPM cycle, 300 watt on the high spin cycle. It's got carbon brushes there and those black boxes on each side and a little taco encoder on the end, those white wires. It's a view of the block there. So you've got the white wires coming in on this side and they're going out to black and blue for taco on that side, and then you've got 4 other wires, so it should be a pretty simple affair to wire that. Your elements down there in the front. I think the front comes off on this one, so it's pretty easy to do most things. You could probably do the bearings from the front as well, although you might have to get in somehow to. You might be able to get the whole tub out from the front actually, if you wanted to do the bearings on it. Quite a clean machine, like I say. I bought it for a small amount of money on the internet. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. It's quite a nice machine, except someone stuck this interesting patterned birds on twigs vinyl sticker on the top, which makes it difficult to sell, I guess. So we'll put a little bit of PTFE tape on there, which is interesting, given that it's a rubber washer that makes the seal on these. The PTFE, not really sure what that's expected to do. So back up again. Like I say, it's a very clean machine. There's a little bit of rust on one screw. That seems to be the only rust in it. It's got a bit of paint on the bottom there, but that looks to have been from a wall being painted nearby. It doesn't look to be covering up anything. It's got lots of dribbles on the front. I don't know what they're from. They might, you know, it might benefit from a clean up. That sticker's a bit worn. The rubber's in good nick. It's got a kind of a washing machine smell off it, but not a dirty smell. It's got the kind of glass door that I like, the one that makes a good fruit bowl or a good washing up bowl. Kind of looks like a hinge off a Bosch, and I'm wondering if it's a similar production to Bosch washing machines. It's a different shape of door, of course, and different controls. Yeah, let me know about these in the comments if you know any more about them, because I'm learning all the time, and let me know if you've got an idea of what I should do with it. I've bought it because I thought it might be the right kind of machine to take a brick in through the door there at high speed, and just to record the outcome for scientific purposes. But if you've got a better idea, let me know. Let me know in the comments. Alright, thanks for watching, see you later.